Welcome to our lesson on bisecting a line segment. Today, you will learn how to perform a perpendicular bisector construction, which is a fundamental skill in geometry. This process allows you to find the exact midpoint of any line segment using only a compass and a straightedge. First, let's understand two key terms. To bisect, something means to divide it into two perfectly equal parts. When we bisect a line segment, we are cutting it exactly in half. Perpendicular refers to two lines that intersect at a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So, a perpendicular bisector is a line that cuts a segment in half at a perfect right angle. For this construction, you only need two simple tools. The first is a compass, which is used for drawing circles and arcs. The second is a straightedge, which is used for drawing straight lines. A ruler can be a straightedge, but you will not need to use its measurements. Let's begin. The first step is to draw a line segment. This segment can be any length. We will label its two endpoints as A and B. This is the segment we are going to bisect. Now, take your compass and place the metal point firmly on endpoint A. Open the compass so that the pencil end is more than halfway across the segment. It is important that the width is more than half. Once set, swing the compass to draw a large arc above and below the segment. Be very careful not to change the width of your compass for this next step. Move the compass and place the metal point firmly on endpoint B. Now, swing the compass to draw another large arc, making sure it crosses the first arc in two separate places. You should now see 2 points where your arcs intersect. Take your straightedge and a pencil to mark these 2 points clearly. For our purposes, we will label the top intersection point C and the bottom intersection point D. For the final step, align your straightedge with the 2 intersection points. C and D. Carefully draw a straight line that passes through both points. This new line is the perpendicular bisector of your original segment OB. And there you have it. The new line you have drawn does two things. It is perpendicular to segment OB, forming a 90-degree angle, and it bisects segment OB. The point where the two lines meet is the exact midpoint of the original segment, which we can call M. Let's quickly review the process. First, draw a line segment. Second, from the first endpoint, draw an arc. Third, from the second endpoint, draw another arc with the same compass width. Fourth, mark where the arcs intersect. And fifth, draw a straight line connecting those intersection points. You have now constructed a perpendicular bisector.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.